Cancer is a group of 100 diseases or more that result from irregular multiplication of cells in different parts of the body. Knowing the symptoms of infection with it is very important, as we can then discover its presence early and facilitate the possibility of treating it. Cancer, like any other disease, has initial symptoms that vary in terms of recovery. We must pay close attention to them. The most common places where symptoms of cancer appear are the lungs, prostate, liver, pancreas, ovaries, colon, uterus, skin, and blood. It is important to pay attention to the symptoms that we will show you now so that we can easily find the appropriate medication. Therefore, if you have any of these symptoms, you should go to the doctor immediately. Before we start, if you are interested in knowing the symptoms of cancer and why it occurs, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. In this video, we will present to you the most important symptoms of cancer, in addition to knowing the causes that lead to the occurrence of cancer to avoid and prevent it. First, yellowing of the eyes or skin. One of the symptoms of liver cancer is abnormal yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes, and this is also a symptom of pancreatic cancer. Secondly, tumors and swelling in the body. If you suffer from tumors and swelling in your body in various places, this may be an indication that you have cancer, and it may be in an advanced or late stage. Therefore, if you suffer from this symptom, you should quickly see a doctor to find out the cause. Third, spots and moles on the skin. Many of us have spots and moles on our bodies since we were born, and this is normal. But if this appeared to you recently, you should pay close attention, as this may be the biggest indicator of the presence of cancer. So it is best when you see this to go to the doctor immediately, as spots that form on the skin in various forms and that appear recently are a symptom of the most dangerous types of cancer. Fourth, acid reflux. Feeling acidity and burning in the stomach are symptoms of cancer, especially chronic esophageal reflux disease, which is an indicator of stomach cancer. Therefore, if you suffer from esophageal reflux after eating, you should treat it immediately, as this reduces the risk of stomach cancer. Fifth, losing weight for no reason. Unexplained weight loss is a symptom of all types of cancer, including the pancreas, stomach, throat, lung, and all types of advanced cancers. Loss of appetite and weight loss are also a symptom of goiter, as well as diabetes. Therefore, if you suffer from significant weight loss, you should go to the doctor immediately, as cancer causes you to lose 80% of your weight. Sixth, frequent infections and high temperature. Having leukemia or gland cancer always causes a high temperature, so if you suffer from influenza infection with a permanent high temperature, you should visit a doctor immediately and do the necessary tests. Seventh, severe pain that doesn't go away. If you suffer from severe pain in any part of your body for no reason, and that pain has passed for more than a month without it going away, then you should visit a doctor immediately. This may be an indication that you have cancer, as severe pain in the body is a symptom of bone and testicular cancer. Eighth, shortness of breath. Severe shortness of breath is a symptom of lung cancer, as it occurs as a result of the presence of a tumor in the lung that presses on it and makes it difficult for the patient to catch his breath. Also, severe coughing is a symptom of the following types of cancer: throat, thyroid, stomach, and lung. Ninth, bloating. If you suffer from abdominal bloating and indigestion, it may be an indication that you have cancer, especially stomach and ovarian cancer. However, if these symptoms increase when eating, then there is a possibility that you have stomach cancer. 10th, intestinal problems. If you suffer from intestinal problems for a period of more than 3 weeks without a noticeable change in your diet, this may also be an indication of cancer, and in that case, you should go to the doctor immediately. 11. Difficulty in swallowing and chronic hoarseness. If you suffer from difficulty swallowing when eating food or liquids, and this continues for a long time, you may be suffering from cancer, as this is a symptom of cancer of the esophagus, pharynx, and lung. This is also accompanied by chest tightness and chronic hoarseness, and we must not forget that it is a basic symptom of esophageal cancer. 12. Extreme fatigue and weakness. If you suffer from severe weakness and noticeable weight loss without changing your diet, this may be an indication of cancer, and you should then go to the doctor immediately. Perhaps the fatigue, tension, and pressure are related to diseases of the nervous system, but if you didn't suffer from this fatigue beforehand and have reached the stage of being unable to stand for 3 hours straight or face some other difficulties related to movement, there is a great possibility that this is an indicator of cancer, especially leukemia. 13. Changes in the nails. Noticeable changes in the nails are a symptom of liver and lung cancer. Therefore, if there are other reasons for the occurrence of these changes, the possibility of the presence of cancer must also not be neglected. The black or brown color under the nail is a symptom of skin cancer, and the weakness of the nails is a symptom of lung cancer. 14. Abdominal pain. Severe abdominal pain, especially pain in the lower region, may be a symptom of ovarian cancer. That is, if you are suffering from severe and continuous pain in the ovarian area, this is an indication that you have ovarian cancer, and you should go to the doctor immediately. Also, when you feel any pain in any area of the upper part, and this pain is accompanied by loss of appetite, fatigue, and nausea, you should do X-rays and tests, because it's possible that you have pancreatic cancer. 15th, abnormal bleeding. Bleeding increases the possibility of developing cancer of the bladder, kidneys, and intestines. Even if the bleeding is simple as a result of an infection or cold, it is considered a symptom of cancer. If you experience bleeding after coughing, this means that you have intestinal and lung cancer. Now, let us learn about the causes of cancer. Cancer is contracted for many reasons, the most important of which are smoking cigarettes, alcohol, unhealthy nutrition, and obesity. Other reasons are stress, sadness, depression, eating too much sugar, and poor nutrition, as well as genetics, some viruses, hormones used in agriculture, agricultural medicines, chemicals in food, fabric dyes, exposure to sunlight for long periods, and sitting and sleeping for long periods of time cause many diseases. Therefore, you must ascertain the cause of the disease so that it is easy to treat, and therefore, you must always follow up with your doctor. Modern medicine hasn't found a cure for cancer now, so we must protect ourselves from contracting it by staying away from everything that leads to contracting it. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.